come into Dandasana, flex your feet, keep your spine erect and straight. From now, you will fold your right leg, knee externally turned out, and foot placed on the mat in the same manner just like the video. From now on, I am going to use a supporting prop to show you Janu Sirsasana head to knee pose in the newest manner. It is very good for the beginners who can learn doing the pose or the asana in the same way. I'm going to place a stool ahead of my foot and keeping my left foot flexed, keeping in the same manner. Now from here, I'm going to use the another prop, which is a yoga belt, to do a forward bend. Now I'm going to take the yoga belt in the shoulder width distance apart, raising your arms all the way up in line to the ear. Prepare your breath. With the exhalation, you bend forward with lengthening of spine and rest the belt on the stool. Now, to observe that with your spine you're not rounding it, you're lengthening and extending your lower to middle and the upper back without folding the trunk. You stay in there, you feel a stretch to your hamstrings. After that, with a step by step, if your flexibility allow, your hamstrings allow, so as your spine, you can try to go more down. I'm holding the belt a little more downwards, and slowly I'm going to go all the way towards my knee. Now, keeping the feet flexed, I'm using a block ahead of my foot placed in the same manner. I'm going to take my hands, grab the block and interlock my fingers, or without interlocking the fingers, resting my forehead, nostrils and the chin onto the knee. Keep lengthening, extending your spine to not fold it, and then slowly, once you're ready, you come up with inhale and exhale to release and relax. Now you do the same thing with the another leg. We will keep our right leg flexed and the left leg folding, knee externally turned out. I'll remove the block from the front to start again with the help of the yoga belt. Again, from here, I'm going to use and taking the belt all the way with inhalation in the shoulder width distance apart, lengthening, extending in line to ear. You inhale with the exhalation, again bend forward, resting the belt on the stool, feeling the extension, the lengthening in the spine, holding in for some time and then slowly moving down, piece by piece, one by one, to completely grab either your foot or keeping the block ahead of the foot. In the full extension, I'm again using the block ahead of the foot, grabbing the block and resting my forehead, nostrils and so the chin. You can stay into this asana from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once you're done with the process, you again come up, inhale with the help of using the belt and you release back to the starting position, calling Dandasana. That is all. Thank you. Now, from here, we're going to learn the benefits of Janu Sirsasana head to knee pose. Hence, there are multiple benefits to doing this asana. Let's read them. Well, it stretches the spine, hamstrings, groins and shoulders well. It stimulates our kidneys and liver and improves the digestion well. It can also relieve symptoms of menopause and calms and soothes the brain cells. And to know the change, do try out at home and feel the difference. Thank you for watching out my video. Namaste. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.